Hello everybody, welcome back. Today's video topic is how to calculate category wise total in Microsoft Excel. In this Excel sheet, I have the data of personal expenditure like the dates, expenses category and the amount. The expenses category are repeating multiple times. The requirement here is to calculate the total amount for every single expenses category. First of all, I have to list out the expenses categories here, then calculate the total for the category. So to list out the expenses category, here I can use the unique function. So press equal to, type unique, bracket open. In the array parameter, select this expenses category range of the source table, close bracket, then hit enter. This gives the expenses category list. Now I have to calculate the total amount for every single category. For that, I can use SUMIF function. So in this cell, press equal to, type SUMIF, then open bracket. In the range parameter, select the expenses category range of the source table. Then lock this range, because when we copy this formula down, this range should remain fixed. For that, press the F4 key in the keyboard. You can also put these dollar symbol manually if you are having trouble locating the F4 key. Now put a comma. In the criteria, click on this first category, put a comma, and in the sum range, select this amount range of the source table. Then lock this amount range by pressing F4 key. Close bracket, then hit enter. This is the total amount for food category. Now you can simply use the fill handle to drag this formula down, and here you see this is the category wise total. So this is how you can calculate category wise total in Excel by using SUMIF function. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe to the channel to get similar video updates in future. Thank you very much for watching.